So here's the fucking bug about the frost staff. It's gonna hit me with a full blizzard. I have to hit it completely, otherwise it doesn't work. So it hit me with the blizzard. Once it's done, if I move, I get hit by a dot. You can see over here a dot that's kicking me for that. I can barely out hit it. Then when it's half, there's no damage, but it's still slow. We'll do it again so you can definitely see. So I have no that. Once I start to move, so now I'm try to not get it full spell AoE, so you can see. I get out of full zone for uh, for any seize time or something. Don't all. Thanks for watching. Bug.